Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Obo. This is around Malaysia market in Onuimo. So I'm heading to Umuahia. So let's see if the Onuimo to Abia road that is under construction, let's see how far they have gone with the construction. Let's see if they have even finished. I don't know, so let's see. So along this Onuimo road, this Malaysia market, they sell a lot of things. On the left hand side, they sell tanks. We have crossed now, so this is no longer Imo, this is Abia. I think by the time we cross this bridge, I think when we cross this Imo river, then we'll be going into Umuahia. So welcome to Umuahia. This is Umuahia in Umuahia, Abia State. This is the capital. We just entered the capital of Abia State. And this part of Umuahia is located in Umuahia South local government area. And as you can see, the road construction, they have gone far already. They are really doing a very good job here. I think this road was flagged off in 2024. I think December 2024. That was when this road was flagged off, and they are really doing a great job here. Very soon the road will be completed. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making our chance to watch my videos. So I'm going to end this video, I think, in Abia Tower. I'm going to end this video in Abia Tower, so you can watch this video down to the end to see how far they have come with the road construction. There are men working in front, so if you want to see what they are doing in front, just keep watching, because men are actually at work. So there's the particular area where I met them, where they are fixing something. So guys, kindly watch the video down to the end. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified. So this is the road that leads you to Abia Tower if you are coming into Umuahia from the Onuimo area, from Obo side. This is the road leading you straight to Abia Tower. From Abia Tower, you can now connect to the Agui Ironsi Boulevard. So this is what I told you I saw when I was making this video. I think they were offloading something, this concrete that they use in demarcating the road. I think that was what they were offloading there, so that they can complete, you understand, they can complete it, because you can see some places you will find the concrete work there and some places you wouldn't see it. So I think they are just trying to complete it to take it down from Onuimo straight ahead to Abia Tower. And when you hear for Nokoza, I wasn't able to show you the other lane, but if you still watch this video down, I might still be able to capture some places. You can see the other lane looks darker. The other lane looks darker than this lane that we are applying, on. But definitely work is going on here, and they are not done yet. There are still some things they are still going to do on the road to make the road complete. And until then the road is not yet completed, but almost much offer. So guys, I don't have anything much to say. Just keep watching and tell me what you think in the comment section.